During the 2018-2019 season, a new look judge input screen was rolled out. The purpose of this video is to show how this new screen looks, briefly demonstrate functionality, and identify any major changes that have been made for the 2019-2020 season. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm using the single screen as it is the most commonly used. In terms of layout, although this changed slightly with the new screen rolled out last season, the functionality is the same. So the processes for entering grades of execution, program components, violations, and submitting your marks have not changed. As we go through the major updates for this season, you'll see entry of GOEs demonstrated as there have been some enhancements made to this input. Program component entry is the same as before. Simply access the program component window, then press on the type of component you wish to score, and add the value. The system will default to the next component in the list. If you'd like to update a different component, simply press on that one and enter the score. Press here to return to the main screen. To enter a violation, access the violation screen, identify the type of violation you wish to add by pressing on Yes. If you wish to change your entry, simply press on No. Press here to return to the main screen. You can view a full scoring summary by pressing here, and return to the main screen by pressing here. So, although the process is largely the same, we've made the following updates. The first updates are related to the entry of grades of execution, with the system defaulting to the last element entered as the one against which a GOE will be applied. So, if you wish to go back and update a GOE during a performance, as soon as the technical panel identifies another element, that element becomes the one that will accept your next GOE. Also related to GOE entry, you can either click on the element box or the box where your GOE will appear to update that GOE. You'll see as well that the element will begin to appear on your screen as soon as the technical panel starts to enter it, instead of once they hit Add. This is especially helpful during longer elements like step or choreo sequences, where the type of element will be input sometime prior to the identification of level, and Add is pressed to input the element. A major update this season is related to falls. If a fall has been identified as having occurred during an element, this will now show here on your screen. In addition, the total number of all falls, both those during and between elements, is also displayed. Additional information is also displayed in the same place where a fall in an element will be listed. At this time, fall and attention to the edge show in this location as these are identified by the technical panel. The edge call, under rotate, and downgrade are all part of the element code itself used by the computer scoring system to access the element in the scale of values, so will continue to appear in the element column itself. To assist with event time management, referees now have the option to send multiple different messages to judges on panel, either individually or to the entire panel. These will show at the top of your screen. While in the summary screen, you can now revise your GOEs if you wish. In addition, You can now see the Submit button while in the screen as well as the main screen. So that's it for this update. All the best to everyone this competition season.